Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve 8-ball poll or 8-ball poll setup problem. To know how to fix or how to solve 8-ball poll setup problem, you should just go to settings. Then in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to 8-ball poll. When you will find this list of app info, you will click for stop. Then you will enter to storage. After that you will click clear cache. And in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about 8-ball poll. When you will find it, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.